Salad, founded in 2022. Nigeria, fintech.
$480 million. That's the number of hardworking men and women that make up Africa's workforce. But despite earning a salary, only 8% have ever successfully accessed credit from a bank. You see, in Africa, formal credit data largely doesn't exist. And that makes it difficult for existing financial institutions to make lending decisions. So when African employees run out of money before payday, which most of them do, the behavior we see on the continent is that 8 out of 10 will go to their employers first for a salary advance. And these employers, well, they lack the tools, expertise, and liquidity to meet this ever-growing demand. This lack of access limits their ability to provide for their families and live healthy lives. This is what we're solving at Salad. By integrating directly with employer payroll, we are able to leverage alternative data to provide different financial services specifically tailored around each employee's income. Once an employer is onboarded, employees automatically get directed to a platform where they can access quick credits, save, invest, and get perks. We're presented with a massive $120 billion opportunity. But we're starting in Nigeria, and in 5 years, we'll enter 10 new markets. Existing alternatives face similar challenges. Without access to sufficient credit data, loans are expensive and defaults are super high. Salad has been able to overcome these challenges, providing affordable financial solutions with a focus on long-term well-being. Our business model is simple. We earn interest income from lending, transaction charges from processing payroll payments, and an optional subscription fee for businesses who want to access value-added services. The team has a proven track record of building and scaling technology products in Nigeria, leading technology and growth for 2 of Nigeria's biggest banks and Africa's first unicorn, Jumia. In July 2022, we launched our MVP. And since then, we've onboarded over 40 businesses with a combined 2,500 employees. We've disbursed over $250,000 in loans, and we're growing our revenues 140% every quarter. In 25 years, a quarter of the world's entire workforce will be in Africa. Building financial services that ensures their financial security is not only good business, but is essential for their well-being. If you'd like to come aboard this rocket ship, we'd love to hear from you. And let's build this impact unicorn in Africa together. Thank you.